You are watching Giant's Corner.
Good morning! It's our day 3 here in Malta. JC, wake up early in the morning. It's 5:42. He wake up. And look at that. It's early morning again. Ayan, ang ganda sa labas.
A few moments later.
Since this is our last day here in Malta, so we decided to prepare early and we are planning to go to Gozo. And before we go, we had some breakfast. Here they are! Oh, they're almost finished na. English breakfast tayo ulit, guys. Kuya, let's go. Let's go back to the room.
More moments later.
Time to go. So guys, there's no package anymore for today here in hotel going to Gozo. So we're just gonna go with the bus and ferry instead. So far, the bus is quite accessible because it's just on the opposite side of the road of our hotel. At nakakatuwa kasi yung driver is also a Filipino, so you feel just like at home. Along the way, marami din kayong makikita mga beautiful scenery and it takes you a minutes before you reach the ferry terminal. And as you can see, Kayla is a bit sleepy there.
More moments later.
So from here guys, we're going to get a ferry. So wala pa kaming ticket. Mag-i-inquire pa tayo. Ewan namin kung magkano yung babayaran. So sa bus, we paid €2 each. Not too bad. Ang tagal din ng biyahe namin. We're going to Camino and Gozo. So ticketing office is here. Guys, so ang daming pumipila na car kasi magro-row-row sila. We'll go with the big ferry, so we're going to get tickets here. So kanina yung sa labas pala, mga private ferries yun. I-encourage ka nilang pupunta doon sa Camino and Gozo. Yun pala yung mga private ferries. Tayo ng ticket dito, okay?
Thank you.
Wow!
Last 3 minutes, let's go!
Oh my God.
So let's go outside. Okay, so we're here on the deck. So you can just sit outside here. Okay, we're inside the ship, guys. So dito pala parang may mga benches sila sa sa labas. Dito rin sa side mayroon din, ayan, may mga nakaupo. So pwede kayong umupo during the travel. Ayan, malapad kami din sa tuktok ng ship. Ayan, punta tayo dito sa Miranda. Ayan. Ay, ito may mga shipment na cargo trucks. Wow! So, medyo malamig din siya, guys. So, dapat mag-jacket kayo. Kasi, even though hindi siya sobrang lamig, pero still you feel chilly. So, ayan, nakasettle na kami. Chill-chill na lang. Hintay na lang sa pag-alis. at saka Camino, they are separated. So you have to take with ferry in order to go to that place.
A few moments later.
We're moving. So, maalon din siya guys. So, pag lumalakad ka, ano ka rin, parang matutong ka. Ayan, malapit na kami oh. Dadaong na siya. Grabe, ang bilis lang. Nandito na. Umili pa ako oh. I buy downstairs. Ayan, dadaong na. Ay, ganyan pala. Wow! Ay, talagang inaano pala nila. Ito inaangat, oh. Ayan. Dito na kami sa Gozo. Ayan, nakahilera na yung mga papasok dito ng ano, sasakyan. Go down na bilis lang, ilang minutes. Siguro mga 30 minutes. Kantin nila dyan oh. We'll try the bus. So this is the Gozo Channel Passenger Terminal. We're gonna go with the public bus. Now from here you can see some of the spots, tourist spots. As I mentioned before, we took the bus to go to the center, which is the Victoria. Bigayan lang talaga dito pag may sasakyan ka. Oo, ayan o, ayan o. ano yan. Oh no! Ayan, nagbigay yung kotse na yun. Kasi yung gated talaga ng ano nila, ng daanan. Pero may mga nagpa-parking pa sa side. Ang ganda, nakikita dito sa bus.
Much later.
So, this is the last stop, guys. This is Victoria. Ayan. Sa ngayon, di pa namin alam kung saan ang iikutan namin. We're just gonna explore anywhere. So, habang naglalakad kami, guys, ito yung nakikita namin. Going to walk up that way. So, medyo busy road siya. Ihingalin ka rin eh. Sa taas ng lalakarin mo. This is the Citadel, and this is their tickets. Tayo sa taas. Yan yung makikita sa baba. Ayan guys, dito na kami sa second floor. Medyo ano kasi nakaharap kami sa araw, nakakasilaw. Ayan o. So from here, you can go here and wow! What's in there? Ayan. Ito yung torre nila sa taas. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Gusto niya mag-lift. Ang daming steps. Makita doon, so umakyat lang ulit. Yan, it's a bit of exercise. May mga floor glass. Oh, so ito yung simbahan.
Wow.
Ayan, oh. So dito sa torre, makikita mo ito. So, naghaharutan pa yung dalawa. Let's go inside. Let's see what's inside of this church. Inside, ito yung makikita nyo. Meron ring daanan that side. So, we're going down because it's already closed. Ayan o, close na sila. Puntahan ito. Let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
So, visitor center is downstairs. I think their lift is not working, so we have to go with the stairs. Ayan, here we are. This is the water reservoir. Okay, so we're going to tour inside. So, nag-museum kami guys. So, €5 adults and children is €250, students is €350. So, all in all, we paid €17. So, ito yung castle na ano natin, pinunta natin kanina. So, yung mga museum pala nila sa taas. So, hindi pala doon, di pala doon sa pinunta namin. Go up. Ida din Lala is going to the stairs. Okay, so It says museum, we'll go this way. Ayan o. Okay, masikip yung daanan doon oh. Yung kanilang mga bato-bato dito, ganyan. Maski sa lupa nila, ganyan yung tsura niya oh. The Archaeology Museum. Let's go. Ayan o. Okay, let's start on this side. So it's archaeology. Ito yung mga ancient gamit ng mga Maltese. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang mga pots. Ang cute na maliliit na ito, no? This is the miniature of Maltese. So they call it Neolithic architecture. Ito yung itsura niya. Yan yung ginagamit nila sa pang ano nila. Oh. Ayan oh. Pang roll nila ng mga ano nila. Semento. Yan, ito naman yung mga clay nila. Nakikita mo yan sa mga lupa nila dito. Very common. Yan, kahit sa mga ginagamit nila. Oh. Dito naman yung mga ginagamit siguro nila sa bubong, mga hay. Yung statue nila, oh. Cute niya, no? Yung parang ano, yan, inuman or clay pot nila. Ang cute, ano? Ito yung picture ng the Grand Castillo in 1530. Ayan o, yung nakaukit yung sulat nila o. We have to be careful, JC. They are expensive. Look, JC, oh, they are earrings and rings, accessories during ancient times. More pots. Ayan o, yung mga plates nila. Ang katulad lang din ng ano, nasa Philippines. Hanggang ngayon. May mga ganyan pa rin sa Philippines eh. Look at that, oh, relics of a skeleton inside a jar. Yan yung baol nila, oh. Oh, diba? Yan, ang dami nila mga pots and clays usually ang naka-display. Yan, oh, ang daming mga banga. Ba't kaya ganyan ang itsura ng banga nila, ano? Wow, what is that? What is this? Siguro yung bayuhan nila. Ginagamit sa pagbayo ng pagkain. And storage. Okay, so we're done. Maliit lang yung archaeology nila. So we'll go to the next museum. Ding dong bell.
Ding dong.
And they have a big bell, JC. Ayan o, yung ginagamit nila yan siguro sa mga simbahan noon. Ding dong bell. So this is Westin Camilleri. Ayan, overlooking dito sa labas. So kung gusto mo mag-video at mag-picture, this is a nice place also to do it. So ito yung makikita natin dito. Ayan naman sa kabila.
100 years, no dry lip.
So you will see this. May kanyon pa dito sa gilid. So we'll go in the next level. So we are going here. We've seen a restaurant up there, so we will try to go there. Finally. Okay, so I made up my mind. I'm going to get the traditional Gozeran Brabe for 16.50. So, Jessica, a portion of chips. I got a rabbit.
Wow.
Oh, parang katulad din doon sa kinain mo dari ko eh. It's so hot. Oh, ang ganda ng kebabs mo, sunog ah. Yummy?
eternity later.
Ayan, yun ang makikita sa baba. Okay, we'll go through with this tower. Souvenir shop. Come on, let's keep going, JC. Let's see some souvenirs. Panoramic walk. Let's go up. Wow, overview looking. Ang ganda. Ang green tingnan, oh. So, it's a panoramic walk. So, dito naman na makikita. Yan.
What's that?
So, we eat there at the back earlier. So, we're just waiting for these two people here. Oh, they love taking pictures. I think this is the highest part. Okay, Jess is afraid of the bell, so we're going down now. May bell na naman. Ayaw ni JC yung bell. Oh, our tour has ended. It's time to back to our hotel.
We're going to Charter Hotel.
Ang daya naman, some of the museums are closed. Kaya uwi na kami, girl. Bye-bye.
More moments later.
Okay, so we're back here in the bus station. We're going to ferry now. Kaya may mga playground dito ko. Ayan, bibili po siya ng vending machine. We are here. Ang bilis lang, guys. Parang 10 minutes or less. Kasi kanina nung pumunta kami ang tagal. Ayan. So, since return ticket, so, hindi na kami bibili, di ba? We have to find the way to go to the ferry now. So, gates are still closed. So, we have to wait for a bit. Ang ganda na sculpture na ito. It's a crowd of people. Palobat na ako. Buti na lang nakikita ko ng saksakan dito sa waiting ng ferry terminal. Nag-open na yung Malta. So, we're going to the ferry now, guys. Ayan, nakakyat na kami dito, guys. Oh, parang kakaibang setting na naman ito. Ayan, nakapwesto na kami. Pwesto na yung tatlo. Nagtatago sa, sa araw. Ito yung makikita nyo dito, oh. Gusto niya mag-sightseeing, pwede din yung bus. Ayan o, yung isa pang bus na sightseeing. Ito yung ferry na ito. Pupunta ng Gozo, Comino, and Blue Lagoon. I think they charge a different price. Pero dito parang sa Victoria, naubos na yung oras namin, guys. So, ayaw ko na lang. Siguro kung marami ka pong pupuntahan, gagabihin ka na. Pupunta pa sana kami ng Popeye Village, pero parang gahol na kasi it's already 3 o'clock. I think they close at 5 o'clock, so no time na to go around.
Aww.
Much later.
Guys, we're moving. We're going now. Ayan. Ayan. JC's afraid of the horn? No more horn, kuya. And there's another ship approaching. So, pupunta naman yan ng Goso. Para lang... Yan ba yan? Hindi ah. Hindi. Yung harapan nun may umaakyat eh. Yan ba yun? Ayaw, parang ganun nga. So we're nearly there, guys. Malapit na tayo dito sa Landlet.
One eternity later.
Our bus going back to hotel.
More moments later.
Na pala itong Bojia Bay. Hindi pa namin naadaanan yung hotel namin. Lalakarin pa namin for 7 minutes. So yung travel namin from Goso Bay, from the ferry, you know, yung daungan ng ferry hanggang sa Bogabi or Bogaji Bay is 45 minutes. Ang tagal. Nanto kami. Natulog nga si JC. Sarap ng tulog ni JC. And now we're going back to our from the Bogabi Bay station. Lalakarin na namin for 7 minutes. So thank you sa Google Map. Kung hindi na, wala na kami. Last stop na, hindi pa kami bababa.
A few moments later.
Ay, thank you Lord. Nakarating din kami sa aming paroroonan. That's better. Finally, we're here in our lovely jubbly room.
One eternity later.
So guys, we have been rested, so we're going to have our dinner again. And time to go out again. So tomorrow we're going back to our land, so let's go. Sayang din namin maranasan yung international buffet. Mahal kasi eh. Sabi ng receptionist kanina, 33 euro per person. Ang konti lang naman makain namin kasi parang puno na yung tiyan namin. Parang di pa na-digest yung kinain ko kanina doon sa Gozo. So maghanap lang tayo ng medyo affordable naman at alam mo yun, yung medyo tama lang ang presyo, hindi naman sobra. May kainan dito sa kapaligiran namin, so explore natin. Kainan na namin yung dalawang restaurant, so maghanap naman tayo ng iba. Okay, we try the ocean basket. So So the last 2 days, mga pasta at pizza. So this time, seafoods naman, guys. Okay. Chill lang tayo, guys. Beer muna para makatulog mamaya. JC love it. Love this bread. Come on, JC. Put a butter in it. That's their sauces. Ayan o. Spicy and creamy. Wow, that's Mediterranean rice with salmon. JC's fries, as usual. JC's favorite. Okay, let's put the lemon. Wow! Parang matagal na namin hindi nakain ko sa Pinas risotto. Sabi ko nga kay Lala, magbablock yung ngipin niya eh. Ayan o. Very black. Wow! It looks yummy. Okay. Yum na yum si Mr. Lala, I will challenge you to smile. Because I want you to show. No daw. So, yan yung rice na nilagyan ng ng squid. Di ba yung squid mayroon siyang katas na or egg na tinatawag. Inahalo dyan. Ayan, tingnan mo sila. Yung lipstick niya, black na. Looks yum. Ito guys, nakakamiss ito. Yung maliit na fish ito na may breadcrumbs. Tapos pinarito. Ayan siyang kasawan. Yan, spicy. Sarap. Nakakamiss. Grabe, ang dami ng risotto na to. Hindi na kaya ubusin ni Lala. Kaya tinutulungan na namin. Ayan, binigyan yung daddy niya. Isa ring marte, ayaw daw niya. Wala lang nagawa. Pati itong pick up fish. Pick up fish. Itong mga pick up fish. Ayan o. Mahirap din ubusin. Dami rin mga service nila. Ayan, lagay natin sa tip. Masarap. Wow. Sundan natin ang beer. Just naubos din. Ay. Yung matcha namin, bundan. Oh, sexy pa rin yung kailangan. Okay, time to go, guys. So, close sila ng 9 o'clock and it's already 8:15. At kami na lang ang natira. Madali na kami kumain at magbayad. Ayan, so malapit lang siya sa namin hotel. Hotel namin yun lang nakailaw. Ito lang siya. So time to rest na kasi tomorrow maaga kami nga alis. 8 o'clock ang flight namin. So I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our video at marami kayong tips na nakuha. And please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel para marami pa kayong mga travel tips at daily tips na maabangan dito. So, see you ulit sa susunod nating video. Bye for now!